All right, fellow business owners, let's talk about the struggle that unites us all. The dreaded paperwork mountain, estimates, invoices, receipts. It's really enough to make your head spin. But what if there was a way to manage all of that and actually understand your business finances? In the roofing industry, where every project is unique, tracking costs really is crucial. But let's be honest, spreadsheets can feel like a leaky roof. It's messy and prone to disaster. There is a better way, and today we're talking about winning combo for any business like yourself: job costing and customer relationship management systems. Think of job costing as your detailed blueprint for your projects. It tracks every little expense, material, labor, even that fancy new hammer you needed to buy. And we've all been there. This gives you a clear picture of your profitability, so no more flying blind, just really hard data to make informed decisions. Now, imagine this. You create a quote in your CRM for a new roof, right? But here's the magic. Your CRM can be connected to your job costing software. So all of these costs you've meticulously tracked, they're automatically pulled into the quote, the invoice, the estimate, all the way through the entire process, which is going to save you time and accuracy. Now, especially when you get paid, because then you can recognize that on the job cost itself. A CRM is more than just a fancy contact list. It helps you manage your entire customer journey from the initial inquiry all the way through to a happy homeowner. By syncing your accounting info, you can see which projects are bringing in the most profit and allowing you to focus on what works and adjust your sales strategy accordingly. Look, running a business is about so much more than just hammering nails or fixing leaky roofs. By combining job costing and a CRM, you gain valuable insights, you can streamline your workflow, and ultimately build a stronger, more profitable company, which, let's be real, that's what we all want. So if you want to learn more about how we can revolutionize your roofing business here at Clientric, make sure that you are booking a free discovery call with us down below in the description to explore the possibilities, which are ultimately endless. If you found this information at all helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on tools and trends in the industry. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.